Hey guys, welcome back to part 5 of the Tecumseh rebuild. So we got those gaskets in, so we're going to try and put the engine back together today and get it running. So first off, we started with the internals of the engine here, kind of putting like the crankshaft, the piston back in. We had to go get a new piston clamp though to get the piston back in. Didn't have one of those at home. So one Blaine's Farm and Fleet trip later, we got that in there. And then I also ordered a new camshaft because we lost a spring to it, taking it apart. After we got that done, I got the valves in, the push rods in, and then when I turned it, they didn't spin. Had to take all those covers back off and try again, which I got them to spin here, so that way they were open and closed, letting the engine do its thing. And then after that, just kind of worked on all the outside of the engine, like the exhaust, the cover you saw there, and I'm going to get this bolted back on here because I got it all assembled. And yeah, I got it on there, adjusted the seat, and we're ready to try and start it.